Today I am reviewing Pixio PX24Q PRO 24-inch QHD Gaming Monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a gaming monitor that combines high-end performance, smooth visuals, and vibrant color accuracy, the Pixio PX24Q PRO 24-inch gaming monitor is one of the most compelling options you can consider. Designed with competitive gamers in mind, it offers an impressive balance between speed, quality, and immersive viewing experience. Let's explore why this monitor stands out. One of the most important features of the PX24Q PRO is its QHD 1440p resolution. At 2560 by 1440 pixels, this monitor delivers crystal-clear visuals that bring your games to life. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or focusing on competitive esports, the detail and sharpness are striking. Compared to standard Full HD monitors, QHD gives you significantly higher pixel density, which means more immersive visuals and better clarity for every detail, from textures to in-game effects. But it's not just resolution that sets this monitor apart, it's also the refresh rate. The Pixio PX24Q PRO boasts a blistering 180 Hz refresh rate, which means extremely smooth motion even during the fastest, most demanding games. If you're into FPS games, racing titles, or any game that requires split-second precision, a high refresh rate is a game-changer. The difference is clear. You'll notice smoother movement, faster response, and a definite competitive advantage. Adding to this, the 1 millisecond GG response time virtually eliminates motion blur and ghosting. This is crucial for fast-paced gaming, where every millisecond counts. With this monitor, you'll experience more responsive gameplay and a sharper picture even in intense sequences where speed matters. The Pixio PX24Q PRO also uses a Fast IPS panel. This is a great blend of the color quality of IPS technology and the speed advantages of TN panels. That means you get wide viewing angles, excellent color reproduction, and vibrant, accurate visuals, combined with the responsiveness needed for competitive gaming. Colors remain vivid across the screen and viewing angles, so you'll enjoy consistent quality, whether you're sitting directly in front of it or at a slight angle. With a contrast ratio of 1000:1, brightness of 300 nits, and a matte finish, this monitor offers clear images with minimal glare, even in bright environments. It delivers a visually comfortable and immersive gaming experience without straining your eyes. Connectivity is simple yet versatile with dual HDMI ports and DisplayPort support. This makes it easy to hook up your gaming PC, console, or other devices without constant swapping. It also features built-in speakers, so you have sound right out of the box. Though for a true immersive gaming experience, pairing it with a good headset or speaker system is ideal. The PX24Q PRO isn't just about performance, it's designed for comfort, too. With height adjustment and tilt functionality, you can position the screen perfectly for your setup, reducing neck strain during extended sessions. The monitor's sleek, minimal design fits neatly into any gaming setup, while the three-side borderless design maximizes your viewing area for a more immersive experience. Adaptive sync with FreeSync support means you'll experience tear-free gameplay without stuttering, further enhancing smoothness and responsiveness. Whether you're gaming competitively or enjoying a cinematic experience, this monitor adapts perfectly. For peace of mind, Pixio offers a 3-year warranty, which is excellent. It shows confidence in the product's quality and durability, giving you long-term assurance for your investment. So, who is this monitor for? If you're a competitive gamer who demands performance, speed, and accuracy, the Pixio PX24Q PRO delivers. If you enjoy high-quality visuals for gaming or content creation, this monitor delivers on clarity, color, and immersive performance. And if you want a solid, versatile monitor that can handle everything from intense gaming to everyday productivity, it's a fantastic choice. Overall, the Pixio PX24Q PRO 24-inch 180 Hz gaming monitor stands out as a high-performance display that offers incredible value. It combines stunning visuals, fast refresh rates, and precise response times into a stylish, comfortable package. Whether for gaming, streaming, or productivity, This monitor is engineered to elevate your experience.